Hello all, welcome to Guru's Easy English. Today we are going to fill mixed grammar quiz. Total questions 10. Each question you have 5 seconds of time. You can pause the video if you need more time. So let's get started now. When do you usually dash to the office? A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Gone. The correct answer is option A. Go. Sita enjoys dash jewelry in her free time. A. Make. B. Do. C. Making. D. Doing. The correct answer is option C. Making. Are you prepared? Dash the test. A. For. B. To. C. At. D. With. The correct answer is option A. For. Dash nail is in Egypt. A. The. B. A. C. And D. At. The correct answer is option A. The. It is dash indication that you are late. A. The. B. A. C. And D. At. The correct answer is option C. An. You can either sit up dash sit down. A and B not. C or D but. The correct answer is option C or. My mother dash a dress for me. A. Buys. B. Will buy. C. Bought. D. Buy. The correct answer is option B. Will buy. We dash some sandwiches and fresh fruits to eat. Option A. Buys. B. Buy. C. Bought. D. Buying. The correct answer is option C. Bought. Monkeys dash to eat bananas. A. Like. B. Will like. C. Liking. D. Liked. The correct answer is option A. Like. In dash direction will I find your house? A. This. B. That. C. What. D. Which. The correct answer is option D, which.